This is going into my dad's stocking come Christmas, and so I'm not putting it on that dirty grill, but I will tell you the 3 main reasons why we wanted it. Here we go. So number 1, it's wood, therefore it's not metal, therefore it's not plastic, therefore it's not melting. How many of those others do you have that are melted on the handles? So it's wood, we like that. Also, that means it doesn't conduct heat. I like that a lot. It's easy to the touch, it's really strong, it's over 1 inch thick. And let's see, number 2, it actually forms to the ridges of your grill, of your grates. And so like that right there, you fire it up, you get it real hot, that little design right there will not stay. It will actually form as you use it. And then number 3, it's the bottle opener. Come on, that's just so cool. But really, it's all about number 1. It's wood, it doesn't conduct heat, and it holds up for a long time. I've watched a bunch of videos on it, and we wanted one of these. It just feels good. I like it a whole lot better than plastic. And you know what? Bonus, it doesn't get those little metal stuff, little metal bristles in your food. I don't like that. So anyway, this is cool. My dad's gonna like it. I think you will too.